Good morning, students. Welcome back to GK and aptitude class. And today we will start chapter number 28, important measuring devices. Okay, measuring devices are helpful in measuring various things. To measure things, we use various measuring devices. Let us look at the measuring devices. Look at the pictures given below. Identify them and specify what they measure. What these measuring devices measure, let us see. Help box is given here. Okay, so I have written the answers. You just see. This measuring device is called odometer. Okay, what we do with odometer? We measure the distance traveled by a vehicle. We measure the distance traveled by a vehicle. This is known as odometer. This is rain gauge. Rain gauge measures the amount of rainfall. Rain gauge measures the amount of rainfall. Next is barometer. This is called barometer. It measures air pressure. It measures air pressure. Barometer measures air pressure. Next is altimeter. Altimeter measures altitude. Altimeter measures altitude. Next is seismograph. Seismograph measures seismic wave. Seismograph measures seismic waves. Anemometer measures speed of wind. Electricity meter, it measures intensity of electricity. Okay, this is electricity meter. This is hygrometer. Hygrometer measures humidity. Next is spirometer. It measures the volume of inhaled and exhaled by the lungs. It measures the volume of air. Sorry, I have not written air here. The answer is volume of air inhaled and exhaled by the lungs. Next is radar gun. It measures the speed of moving object. It measures the speed of moving object. Radar gun. Next is hydrometer. Hydrometer is specific gravity of liquid. Specific, it measures specific gravity of liquid. Next is thermometer. It measures temperature. You all know. So the help box is given. Answer is also given here. I have written. You can take the help from here and write from here. Okay. Fact, let us see. The shaking of the earth due to tectonic activities is called an earthquake, and the intensity of an earthquake is measured on the Richter scale, and it ranges up to 0 to 9. This is measured by an instrument called seismograph. So we have already seen seismograph. From here, what we measure? The intensity of the earthquake. Okay. Now let us move on to renowned scientist. Chapter number 29. Okay, can you identify these pictures? Rearrange the letters to find their names. So the names are not written in a proper way. We have to rearrange it. So these are the great renowned scientists. So who is this? This is C.V. Raman. C.V. Raman. This is Thomas Edison. Thomas, Thomas, Thomas Edison, Edison. Next is Isaac Newton. ESAAC, Isaac Newton, NEWTON, Newton. Next is, this is Marie Curie. MARIECURIE, Marie Curie. Okay. Next is Charles Darwin. CHARLES, Charles Darwin, DARWIN. Next is Alfred Nobel. ALFRED NOBEL. Next is Galileo Galilei. GALILEO GALILEI. Okay. Next is Albert Einstein. ALBERT EINSTEIN. Albert Einstein. Next, fill up the blanks. You can take the help from the help box. help box is given. You can see here. So number 1, Dash propounded the theory of numbers in 20th century. Who propounded the theory of numbers in 20th century? Srinivasa Ramanujan. Srinivasa Ramanujan. Okay. Next is number 2. Dash is the father of Indian missile technology. Who is the father of Indian missile technology? APJ Abdul Kalam. APJ Abdul Kalam. Number 3. Dash discovered the law of gravity. Who discovered? Isaac Newton. Okay. Number 4. Dash is the first woman professor at the University of Paris. It is Marie Curie. Okay. Number 5. Dash has written the book Origin of Species. It is Charles Darwin. Okay. Har Gobind Khurana won the Nobel Prize for Medicine in 1968 for the genetic code. Okay. So now let us move on to chapter number 30. Useful tools. Do you know about these tools? You use these tools to perform their function tasks, various tasks, so help the workmen to know their name. So we perform various tasks with these tools. We have to write the names in the space provided, and we will use the help box from here. Okay, the first one is chisel. Okay, CHISL, chisel. Second one is scissors. Third one is hand saw. Fourth one is plier. Fifth is screwdriver. Sixth is paintbrush. Seventh is wrench. 8 is hammer. 9 is electric drill. And 10 is clamp. This is clamp. So these are the various tools we use to make our work easy. So now we know the names of these tools. From the help box, you will see the spellings and you will write. Now we have to write, do you know these people? Write their names in the space provided. So what work these people are doing? These people are called what? What is he doing? This is carpenter. CARPENTER, carpenter. These persons are electrician. Okay. This is painter. He is painting. You can see he is painter. This is tailor. He is stitching clothes. This is mason. You can see he is building. Okay. Now let us move on to chapter number 31, that is popular banks in India. The banking system plays a pivotal role in shaping the economy of a nation. India has many public and private sector banks. In India, there are many public as well as private sector banks, and we have to see the logos from here, and we have to identify the banks, and we have to write the names of the banks in the space given. This logo we find in which bank? State Bank of India. This logo we find in Axis Bank. This logo we find in Citibank. This logo we find in Union Bank. This logo ICICI Bank. This logo we find in IDBI Bank. This logo Kotak Mahindra Bank. This one Punjab National Bank, and this one HDFC Bank. So these are the few famous banks of India. Okay, we have seen the logos, and few are private and few are public. Okay, so chapter number 31 also we have completed. Up to chapter number 31 is coming in your midterm exam. So we have completed the syllabus here. In the next video, I will send you the aptitude, and we will complete the syllabus of aptitude too. You just write down the answers and learn them. Okay. Till then, take care. Bye and thank you, children.